Hello class, welcome to Unit 1, Introduction to Call. So, at the end of this course, you are expected to be able to explain what call means and explain the role of computer in language learning. Okay, so let's get started. So, let's start with the definition of call. So, what's call? So, call is the acronym for Computer Assisted Language Learning. Levy 1997 defined call as the search for and study of application of the computer in language teaching and learning. And then Jones and Fortescue in Gundus 2005 defined call as a flexible classroom aid used both by teachers and students inside or outside the classroom in a variety of ways. So, after analyzing all these definitions, it can be said that call is an approach for teaching and learning where computer and computer-based facilities are used to present, reinforce, and assess materials to be learned and includes interactive elements. Call embraces a wide range of information and communications technology applications and approaches to teaching and learning foreign language. Call will be used in a broad sense to refer to any tools involving the computers and associated technologies of all types. For example, desktops, laptops, tablets, smartphones, MP3 players, interactive whiteboards, and so on, in some significant way in language teaching and learning. Now, let's move to the computer roles. So, to understand more about the concept of computer in this field, let's divide the computer use according to its function based on Levy 1997. Those are the tutor role and tool role. Well, a vocabulary flashcard program or set of online grammar exercises would represent tutor uses, where the computer in some way has a teaching function. Next is tool role, a language learning activity involving a word processor, email program, or web search engine like Google would represent tool uses, where the computer has no overt teaching function. Let's take a look at some acronyms related to call. So, this field has gone by a number of different names as groups of practitioners have attempted to promote their own views and philosophies. The first is CALL, which stands Computer Assisted Language Learning, and sometimes expanded as Computer Aided Language Learning. The next is TEL, stands with Technology Enhanced Language Learning. So this accommodates more than just computers, often bringing in video and seeing the computer as just one part of a larger system. The next is TOL. So TOL stands with Technology Assisted Language Learning. This is a variant of CALL and TEL. The next is IT or ICT. This is the acronym from Information Technology or Information and Communication Technologies, are common acronyms outside of language teaching, particularly in Europe. Sometimes this is presented as IT or ICT for LT or language teaching. The next one is DLL. So DLL is the acronym for Digital Language Learning. This is a relatively new term encompassing computers and other digital devices. And the last is MAL. That's Mobile Assisted Language Learning. So, learning with mobile devices like mobile phones, tablets, and MP3 players, sometimes also used for multimedia assisted language learning. While acknowledging the existence of these alternative labels, for the purpose of this course, we will call CALL as CALL, since the concept of computer in call covers the full range of digital devices and the networks that connect them, as well as the great variety of software including mobile applications.